Magandang hapon, Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat po ng kasama natin sa Facebook at YouTube, maraming salamat. Sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. Pride ng Mindanao ang ating mga bisita ngayong hapon at pride na rin nating lahat. Katatapos pa lamang po ng Pinoy Big Brother at sila'y ang nanalo bilang third big placer duo. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Charlie Fleming and Esnir Ranolio.
Finally! Fantasy ko to, Tito Boy! Hello again! Oh my God!
I know. Kumusta kayong dalawa? Maraming salamat. Ang ganda.
Lights off po, Tito Boy. Ay! Wala ka naman. Sorry, agad. Thank you po.
Ang ganda.
Salamat
Yun
so
lamang
much.
Yun lamang ang mga masasabi kong salita sa umpisa. Yun ang naalala ko nung ako'y pumasok sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Kayo yung bet ng lahat. Yeah. Di ba? I mean, I was talking to everybody and sinong choice niyo? Remember, I had that. And then I would talk to a lot of friends and they'd say, that's Chares. Okay. I want to go to the big night. Nakita niyo yung reaksyon ng Rawi at ng Breka. I was watching that very intently, and I had them here on the show. Yes. We had that conversation. So everybody was telling you na kayo ang mananalo. Big night. Were you disappointed?
No.
Yeah.
Sa totoo lang, Tito Boy, no po
Talaga?
Yes.
Oh, because ako, I would have. Sa totoo lang. Very, ako ho yun. Hindi ako kasali.
It's okay. Go.
Okay, no, because...
Kasi po talaga, Tito Boy, nung pinakauna, yes, there's hope na we've been vocal about it, lalo na po ako na gusto ko po talaga maging big winner. Ganyan.
Sino bang hindi, di ba?
Yes. Pero before po the big winner, the big night, ito na po yung pinipray namin ni Charlie na isusurrender na namin lahat sa Lord.
Yes.
Isusurrender na namin lahat sa Kanya. At feeling po namin will po ni Lord to lahat. Kaya mas more on, ano po talaga siya, hindi siya more on talo, but pagtatanggap ng biyaya po, ng blessing po talaga. Kasi, never po namin talaga in-expect na nakita po yun ng housemates sa amin. At we are so grateful na yun po yung nakita nila sa amin. At dito pa lang po, feeling ko, panalo na po yung laban ko sa mga bakla. Panalo po yung laban namin sa mga big win.
Maraming salamat. And happy Pride noong
Yes.
June. Hindi rin nangangahulugan na hindi ka big winner ay wala kang karera. Marami ang pruweba sa Pinoy Big Brother na ang dami-daming sumikat after PBB. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Did you have a different idea? I mean, kasi nakita ko yung mukha ng Rawi at ng Breka. Remember nung
Yeah, nagulat po talaga sila. That's why I saw their face.
Nakatingin sa inyo. Sa ano? Ikaw?
Parang sila yung na-disappoint para sa amin nun eh. I love them for that. But I really agree with what you said po, Tito Boy. For me, what I've said to Esnir and what I've said to everyone po talaga na as long as the people see us as their big winners and we receive so much of their loves, big winner na po kami dun. Hindi siya sa place. It's really of the love that we receive from the people and the acceptance that we receive from them. That's the big winner moment
I totally
para
agree.
sa amin.
I totally agree. Esnir, ikaw, halimbawa, alam ng lahat, alam namin bilang manonood, at kahit doon sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, you were the most loved. Or one of the most loved. I mean, to be fair to everybody. But you were, you know why? You were never nominated.
Yes po.
Tama?
Apo.
Oo, tama yung aking memory, oo. Pero, pagdating nung pilian ng kaduo, walang pumili sa'yo.
Oh.
Usapang bubog pala to dito.
Oo, di ba? Usapang bubog, konti lang, hindi na katulad noon.
Yes, po.
Did you feel, disappointed?
Tito Boy, to be honest talaga, it hurts. Like, it hurt me talaga. And I think it's okay because it is human to feel hurt talaga. Lalo na po yung hindi ma-meet yung expectations mo. Kasi po, siguro hindi siya by pride, pero out of these housemates po na naging kasama ko at nakashare ako ng mga meaningful moments together po talaga. At yun po, na-realize ko lang po that time na feeling ko hindi ako worthy, na kulang pa ba yung pagpapasaya ko sa bahay. At it left me questioning my place po talaga, Tito Boy. Pero yung moment na po na yun is feeling ko redirection po yun sa akin. At na-lead po ako sa tamang tao talaga, sa tamang panalo po namin.
Tamang tao.
Ang gandang attitude. I felt, well, not just that I feel you, pero I was disappointed for you I mean, maybe because it's a special connection, because we belong to the LGBT community. And parang, mahal na mahal naman si Esnir, di ba? Bakit? Did you expect Shuvi to choose you?
Opo.
Kasi vocal, naalala mo, vocal na vocal
Yes
si
po,
Shuvi.
yes
Okay.
po, opo. Kasi same din with Shuvi na same po kami ng, may common ground kami, same kami na Bisaya. At saka, nagiging close na din po kami sa bahay. Of course, nasad po ako, pero feeling ko...
Nagpaliwanag siya sa'yo.
Opo.
Ano
po
ang
yung-
paliwanag niya?
Sorry po talaga siya. At lalo na po sa mga letter, nagsasorry siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi mo naman kailangan mag-sorry ate kasi pag ako din yung nasa posisyon mo, mahihirapan din po talaga ako kung sino yung pipiliin
Correct.
ko. Pero ayun po, okay naman po kami talaga ni Shuvi now. In fact, super bestie nga po kami. Nagko-call kami, nagte-text kami. At ayun po.
Wonderful girl.
Opo.
She's my
Super.
student. Oo.
Yes.
She is a nice girl. Napakaganda ng puso. If you had the choice, si Esnir pa rin ba ang pipiliin mo?
Yes po. I would say it time and time again, pero siya po talaga yung first choice ko.
Oo.
The moment I left the house, kasi I got evicted already, right?
I know.
We've had
About a
fast-
month, no?
Yes po.
Was that an advantage?
Honestly, it wasn't, because it was hard to adjust when we get back inside the house again. When you're outside of the house, when you're evicted for a month, you get to feel that free will. You get to feel that freeness, the freedom that you have outside of the house. And when you come back inside the house, you can't bring that free will inside anymore. You
Pero
can't
meron
say
ka rin
some certain
perspective
things.
na iba. Kasi alam mo na. You didn't carry that with you.
I did know a lot of things, but
Uh-huh.
I didn't carry it with me. Because I knew that inside the house, it's a totally different world.
Can you imagine? She's
Yeah.
just what? How old are you?
16 po.
I'm walking out.
I'll walk with
Sabi
you.
ba?
I'll walk with you.
Wow, look at the wisdom. I mean, wow.
Thank
Oo.
you.
You were about to say something na when I asked you kung si Esnir pa ang pipiliin mo before I went to the 1 month
Yeah.
hiatus break, you would have chosen Esnir, you were
Yes
saying,
po,
because
definitely.
you've always been vocal about it.
Yes po. Before we actually left the house, before I got evicted, Esnir told me that he wanted me as his final duo. And even if it could have been just my thing or anything, but it was something that I held on to. Because I know that we had a common ground already. We had that common ground na breadwinner kami. We love our family. We come from the province. And we're both Bisaya. So if I had to fight with someone, I'd fight it with Esnir.
Bakit blooming ka?
Bakit blooming?
Tingnan mo naman, no?
It's because
Bakit walang tanong sa akin na
Hindi,
gano'n?
papunta na doon.
Ay, papunta na
Oo,
doon.
siyempre
Okay.
dito mag-uumpisa. Bakit ba? You look so pretty today.
Thank you so much. It's because of God. It's because of God po talaga.
Papunta na ako doon.
Oh,
There.
yes.
You look
Very
gorgeous.
I get that a lot. He knows.
Let's go, ito, mga napapag-usapan lamang. Kasi, there were a lot of, alam mo naman, when we become public, Esnir, everybody has an opinion about all of us, not just you. Hindi ka raw madalas mag-Bisaya. I know
Oh my God.
This is not the first time, di ba? You heard about it.
Hindi po. First
Ay, hindi?
time. Ha? Talaga po ba?
Si
Siguro,
AZ kasi, Charlie daw, madalas, sino pang isa?
Me and
Shuvi ay
Shuvi,
nagbibisaya.
always,
But
yeah.
hindi raw madalas magbisaya. I am just quoting one of the comments. What is your reaction to that?
siguro po hindi po nila napapanood talaga 24/7. Nagbibisaya po talaga ako, lalo na pagkausap ko sila. Shuvi,
Ako,
si
especially,
Charlie,
yeah.
at saka si AZ. Siguro po, mas mostly nagtatagalog po ako kasi eto po yung nakasanayan
Okay.
ng mga tao po na nanonood po sa akin, tatagalog ako sa content ko. And
Oo.
it's my way din po to widen my audience din po
Yeah.
talaga. At parang, kumbaga ako na po yung nag-adjust kasi para hindi na po mapagod yung yung mga writers na magsulat ng subtitle, ganon. Pero sa mga serious times naman po, lalo na po yung andun yung papa ko, nagbisaya po ako yung namin, whole, namin.
Ako gusto ko lang
reconciliation.
ipagtanggol ka ng konti dito. Ang choice po kung anong mapapanood natin, karamihan, aside from the live streaming, ay hindi kanila. So, hindi lahat ng mga pag-uusap, I mean, is this revealing too much? But hindi lahat ng mga pag-uusap ay naipapalabas.
Yes po.
Tama ba ako?
Yes po, tama po talaga.
Pero
Diba?
Tito Boy, I carry my roots po talaga all the time. Dala-dala ko sila. And I'm proud to be Bisaya. Siguro, babawi ako dito sa outside world talaga. At it's something na shinare ko talaga sa buong mundo na hindi talaga nila alam na Bisaya ako. And I'm proud naman po talaga.
Lahat tayo?
Yes.
Lahat tayo? I've always been proud of my being Waray. Oo. Hindi ko maintindihan yun. But anyway, about comments, ikaw naman madalas kang i-compare kay Fiang. Of course.
Piano pala to.
How do you react? I mean, how do you react? Kasi marami ang sasabi,
Oh my
look,
God.
she's 16, 17, 16.
Yeah, 16 po.
Oh, 16, but she's more mature. Again, nagpapasintabi ako kay Fiang at sa kanyang management, mga kaibigan ko yan, only because, you heard about this.
Yeah, I've seen a lot about it, honestly.
Right, okay? We're coming from there. What is anong reaction mo?
Actually po, nagugulat po talaga ako, natatakot po talaga ako because I really don't want to be compared to other artists, especially po in a derogatory way. And yung pag-wisdom po and being mature, it really comes from experience. It comes from understanding po.
Hindi sinasadya, ikaw talaga
Hindi
yun.
po talaga siya
Pero,
sinasadya.
you know, when people compare you, you have totally no control about it.
I have totally no
Wala.
control.
Wala naman talaga.
And I haven't spoke up about it because it's definitely not something that I want to put myself
Do you know
in
each other?
there. No, we've met once only. I've said hello. I've introduced myself, but we don't actually follow each other. We're not
You're not
friends yet.
you're not acquaintances, you're not friends
Hindi
yet.
din po,
Ano
not
ang
yet.
inyong reaction dalawa nung, you know, it was very public when Fiang said na wala pa rin, I don't know if this is an exact quote, na parang, ay, wala pa rin makakatalo sa batch namin.
Hindi naman po to competition.
Yeah, it's not a
Hindi.
competition, Queen.
I feel like iba't
But the
ibang
business is a big competition. You know what I'm saying, Esnir? Oo.
Pero feeling ko, Tito Boy, yung iba't ibang season, may iba't ibang taste po
Uh-huh.
talaga.
Definitely.
At sa amin po, we can say na unique din po talaga yung season namin. At tinangkilik po talaga naman tao.
Yeah,
pero,
our seasons are different. This is the first GMA and ABS collab. So it's completely different from what batch they have.
Iba-iba kami ng amats, kumbaga.
Yeah.
At I love their season 2.
She's really very interesting. This is not about her, no? Pero kayo ba, as young artists, do you have extra effort to get to know people who've been here for a long time, people who paved the way?
Yes,
You know, of course, hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. This has something to do with the controversy of Fiang and not knowing very well Miss Pops Fernandez.
Yes, po.
Kayo ba, do you go out of your way to really know ang mga artista na nakapaligid sa inyo?
Of course po, Tito Boy, I have a lot of respect po talaga lalo na sa mga big stars.
Yeah,
At saka talaga kilalanin din, no?
Opo, lahat
Yes
po
po.
dapat may magba-background check po tayo, ganyan. Kasi same lang po tayo ng industry.
I saw that conversation you had with Vice.
Yes po.
Wonderful conversation. Diba? Tama ba ako? You cannot be a Vice ganda, but you can be...
And
Yes,
I'm
and
here. Love
Diba?
that.
Ganda ng point ni Vice na yun. Ikaw, Charlie, in that respect.
Ako naman po, of course, I don't know all of the veterans that we do have, but I really do try to get to know them din po. And even through the shows that we have in GMA, minsan po they're there. And the last show I did po was Widows, where I was filled with veterans, wonderful veterans. And
Okay.
I can say that I've learned so much po from them.
Now, ako naman, in fairness, I just wanted to say this. As watching the videos, wala akong nakita naman na outright sinabi ni Fiang, I don't know Miss Pops Fernandez. I mean, she wanted to be courteous, but she has her way. And we respect that. And again, I apologize for, not naman apologize, but, you know, for asking the questions because you are otherwise, uulitin lamang natin yung ating mga pag-uusap ng mga nakaraan. But now this is something new. Let's do fast talk.
Eto na yun.
Charlie, muna.
Oh my God.
Beauty or brains?
Brains.
Title role or beauty title?
Title role.
Charlie, young and beautiful or young and wise?
Young and wise.
More ganda, more pera?
More pera.
Oo, hindi. Nagka-crush sa isang housemate.
Hindi.
Oh!
Minor,
Charlie,
minor.
okay. Pwede na o hindi pa? Hindi pa. Magka-boyfriend.
Hindi pa po.
Pwede na o hindi pa? Sasali sa beauty pageant.
Soon.
Favorite Bisaya expression?
Hala.
Hala.
Yun si 13. That's my favorite.
Expression ba yun?
Yun si ka. Yun si
Esnir,
13.
walang kilay, walang blush on.
Walang kilay.
Nonchalant o OA?
OA. Sobrang OA.
Solo o collab?
Solo.
Main character
Ayaw
o
mo sa
supporting
akin?
role?
Ano po?
Main character, supporting role.
Main character
Of
na
course,
tayo.
mas mahirap sumikat o magpasikat?
Mas mahirap magpasikat.
Mas nakaka-stress, si Kuya o si Tito Boy?
Sorry, kuya. Pero we've learned something from you.
Mas nakakainis, madrama o maarte?
Maarte.
Mas kamukha mo si Jose Rizal o si Daddy June?
Daddy June.
Oh, okay.
Saan yan nanggaling yung Jose Rizal na yan?
Hindi ko alam sa kanila. Esnir, favorite Bisaya expression?
Ay! Padayon.
Padayon.
Yes.
That means tuloy.
Yes po.
Okay, both. Sa inyong housemates, sino ang pinakagwapo?
Then,
Ikaw.
River. Sige.
Brent River. Charlie. Pinakagwapo.
Gwapo.
Both!
Oh, okay, both. Pinakamaganda, sino?
Ako
Ako na.
Pinakamabagal kumilos.
Charlie. Nagkukulit pa yun sa umaga.
Pinakamakalat.
Dusty.
Pinakamalakas kumain.
River.
Yes. Ate Clang.
River.
Pinakamaingay.
Ate Clang.
Esnir.
Pinakamarites.
Josh.
Josh.
Ako talaga, pinaka hindi generous sa itlog.
Ay, ako!
Ikaw, pinaka-generous ka.
Ay, si
Hindi
Brent,
ka.
si Brent.
Okay,
Si
lights
Brent.
on or lights off?
Light on!
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness!
Best time for happiness.
Oh!
Anytime.
Yes, anytime. And it galing from you.
Okay.
That's okay.
Outside world, humanda kayo sa akin dahil
Nagsisimula pa lang ako.
Oh, mamada kayo sa akin because I don't know, honestly. Just get ready, queen.
Kumanda lang kayo.
basta kumanda lang. Sa ating magbabalik po ay Precious is going to join us.
Oh, hindi.
And maraming nakita kaming videos at mga photos umiikot. Napapaligiran ka ni Jake, Kyle, Donnie, Piolo. Esnir, kung magkaka-boyfriend ka sa isa sa kanila, sino ang pipiliin mo at bakit? Ang kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sino ba yung darating dito? Precious. Si Precious talaga? Andito na?
Okay na yun.
Pakitawag nga, may gusto raw kumausap sa akin, dalawang estudyante. Charlie, Precious, bakit kayo nandito?
Hi, Tito Boy. I'm here to
Oh.
to clear things up.
Bakit? May problema ba?
Inagaw niya si Bruno Pangilinan sa akin.
Tumayo nga kayo. Bruno Pangilinan.
Yes po.
Oh, okay, and then? Oo.
Inagaw niya
Totoo
sa
ba
akin.
ito, Esnir? Ay, I'm sorry, Precious. Precious.
Sino si Esnir po?
Ay, hindi ko alam.
I'm
Hindi
such
ko-
a fan. Sobrang galing
I
niya.
am a fan.
Sobrang
of
ganda niya
Esnir.
po.
I am. But Precious, sino ba ito? Totoo ba? Inago mo ang boyfriend niya?
Oh my gosh.
Si Bruno?
Sa pagkakaalam ko, yung Bruno na yan, yung lumapit sa akin, girl.
Lumapit sa'yo. Ikaw? Sa mukha na yan, nalapit siya sa'yo, sa tingin mo.
Oo!
Sa buhok mo pang very brassy.
Girl, hindi ko to buhok. Buhok to ng GMA. Binigay lang to sa akin, kaya wag mo
Oh.
ko pagbintangan. Pero, ano bang meron sa'yo na wala ako?
Lahat meron sa akin na wala sa'yo, pati buhok.
Sandali lang. Iklaro natin, si Bruno Pangilinan ang sinasabi niyong guy. Boyfriend mo siya?
Boyfriend ko.
Boyfriend ko
Tapos,
rin.
Boyfriend mo rin.
Opo.
Anong boyfriend mo?
Sandali, ang dami niyong tanong. Iklaro natin ng mabuti. Andiyan ba si Bruno? Wala. Wala po. Bruno, I'm sorry, but Bruno is my boyfriend. Aalis na ako. Cut! Ayoko na.
Hindi, dito si Bruno, Tito Boy! Charlie, mahal.
Esnir! Wait. Maraming salamat, Precious. Ang apelido talaga, no? Pangilinan. Donnie, sino ba yung andon? Si Jake Ejercito, I think. And then Kyle,
Papa and
PJ.
Kyle.
And then,
Yes.
nasa gitna ka. I know you're having
Atake!
a great time. Okay? Pero halimbawa lang, hypothetical. Isa sa kanila magiging boyfriend mo. Sino at bakit?
Si Donnie po, of course. Kasi parang siya na po yung kuya ko po. Nung super genuine niya sa akin.
Jojowain
ever
mo yung
since.
kuya mo.
Ang gandang follow-up,
Hypothetically, girl.
Hypothetically.
Kasi siya po yung tumulong talaga sa akin ever since nung unang pag-land ko dito sa Manila, Tito Boy. He
Okay.
booked the hotel, he booked my place, ganyan. Tapos, nung paglabas ko po ng bahay, siya talaga yung unang na-message sa akin na kailangan ko mag-debrief sa bahay nila. Kaya sinundo niya ako. At nagulat na lang ako, may mga ibang boys pa pala doon. Oh, boys trip yung nangyari.
Okay.
Kaya yun po.
I see.
Pati yung picture na yan po, hindi po ako nag-initiate yan. Sila po yun. Sabi nila, uy, picture tayo kasi para boys over flower. Ganun
Oh
na
my God. So ito naman, sandali, seryoso naman ito.
Whatever.
Na-meet mo na ba si Anthony, ang mga magulang, saka si Maricel?
Yes! Actually,
Oh.
I'm legal na po.
Gift ko na, gift ko na sa kanya. Gift ko na lang sa kanya.
Talagang legal.
Opo.
Oo. Anong
Super-
sinabi nila sa'yo? Naramdaman mong tanggap ka na nila?
Bakit ganyan ka? Ano po, parang naka-work ko na din po yung family niya po eh. Like si Benj, parang more on collaboration.
Mula
na
sa
po,
akin
no?
puso, I wish you the best. Talaga na, seryoso. First time you went to Boracay?
Huy, Boracay
Charlie,
ba?
first time you went to Boracay, meron akong gustong ipagawa sa'yo para in-act. Meron kang ginawa, pumunta ka sa puno ng niyog at kinanta mo yung kanta ni Mika.
Okay lang yan.
I forgot the whole song already.
Ano, buti na lang.
Hindi lang maganda siya.
How was that experience? First time in Boracay?
Oh my God, it was amazing. Parang first time ko ulit nakita yung dagat at first time kong tumalon sa dagat ulit after feeling ko naging 2 years. And sobrang beach girl ako. I go to Camiguin Island a lot. I go to, kahit po highway po, kahit po gilid ng highway ng beach, lalangoy po talaga ako. Basta dagat po yan, I will jump right in. Kaya nung nakita ko po yung Boracay, para ako naiyak sa sobrang ganda. At hindi po ako nagbibiro.
Off-cam, sabi ko sa kanilang dalawa, if you wanna go to Boracay, sagot namin. Sagot ko. Di ba?
Guys, you got that on your
We got the shot. We got the shot.
Lahat, di ba?
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Gusto ko nakabusiness
Pasalamatan nyo. Thank all your followers. Go
Thank you
ahead.
so much! Sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta sa amin, maraming salamat. Sobrang atakin yung lahat, guys. We will try our best to give back the love that you deserve, that you gave.
Okay.
Thank you so
Maraming
much.
salamat sa inyo. We will do our best in our work to give back to you all. Love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Chares! At kung gusto niyo po mapanood ulit ang ating mga episodes, pumunta lamang po kayo sa YouTube channel ng GMA Network o sa gmanetwork.com/entertainment. We'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye for now. God bless you.